What job is right for me?
Maybe Prismian Group in Schuylkill Haven. They manufacture communication cable.
How would I know if manufacturing is for me?
Manufacturing is for everyone.
My name is James Pritchett.
Lisa Gersinski.
Rob Blankenhorn.
Ashley Lee.
Tim Seawick.
Nelson Berger.
These people are all involved with manufacturing, but how did they get there?
College or nothing for this job.
Honestly, I don't have any education.
High school graduate.
I have a high school diploma.
Oh, so you don't need any types of degrees for some positions.
Some people even work their way up positions.
I started here 25 years ago working on the floor. I worked my way up through and through the office, scheduling, planning, purchasing.
I have a bachelor's in science as a chemical engineer at Syracuse University.
Shipping and receiving manager, and then was promoted to the position that I'm in now.
I started out on the floor and now I'm working in the R&D department.
So even I can do manufacturing and eventually work my way up, just like Rob and Matt did.
So our inclusion program is a program to get more female employees into our company with trying to make our workforce at least 40% female, along with the LGBT community.
Wow, they really do include everyone.
Do you understand now?
Yeah, that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
As an operator, I enjoyed my job because I was a part of something that I felt was very important.
I work with the operators and help them with their product to making sure that our product goes out to the customers.
Air, land, sea, subway, like we make wire for everything.
A very good place to work for.
Helping our employees become better versions of themselves.
I'll go apply now.